Hello, welcome to Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and today I've got the difficult task of reviewing one of our beautiful Porsche, and it's something really special. This is a 997 GT3 RS .2, so it's a 3.8 GT3 RS. Let me show you around. Well, here we have it. This is a car from 2011. They started in the 2010 model year. The 3.8 GT3 RS was an upgrade to the previous car, given 15 horsepower more, and I'll show you some of the special features. Center lock wheels with carbon ceramic brakes, aluminium doors, which got a different sound and save a bunch of weight. Lightweight plastic windows, and everything that you need to make an exciting road car, track car and collectible. So the Recaro seats, just beautiful seats, super comfortable. Alcantara wheel. They had front axle lift, the Club Sport package with the cage in it. Just a beautiful fit and finish of the cars. The adjustable aero. The wider rear body, dynamic engine mounts, which meant that the engine, the mounts became stiffer as you cornered harder, so the engine moves around less, which I found when they first came out utterly fascinating. Fire extinguisher, sport chrono. Just a beautiful piece of kit. Numbers made. There's some controversy about the exact numbers of right-hand drive, but it seems that right-hand drives will be between 80 or 90 and about 130 cars. Some of those will have already been exported to other right-hand drive markets. Some of them will have been thrashed, crashed and otherwise abused when these cars had lower value. This one I'll tell you about later after we've gone for a drive in it. Right, so these cars are, although destined for collections, the other part of it, unlike a painting on the wall, this is something that you can really enjoy and get a bit of fun on the road out of. So let's see what she's like. First of all, the seating is beautiful. And everything about this car is so precise, from the gear change to the way the brakes operate and the steering. It just feels great to have. And no doubt when you give this a good little go, you've got a chance that your trousers are going to spontaneously combust. Oh wow, I love this car! Well, that truly, believe me or not, was not one of my harder jobs. I absolutely love this car. It is a fantastic to drive. It just feels so exhilarating on the road. Even at low speed, it's a great thing to be behind the wheel of, and I feel privileged to just drive it, let alone own it. Now, we're in the business of selling Porsche, and why this one? Well, this one's got the spec, the mileage, and it's been beautifully looked after. The ceramics have been replaced, the clutch has been replaced, it's not been abused at all, and it remains under Porsche warranty. The white is very rare, and you can't fail to be impressed when you look at this car in detail. The history is impeccable. The owner that has had it, because the car's had 4 owners, but the main owner had it since 2011 to 2023. In part of a collection. This is, in my view, the one to buy and the one to not keep in your garage, but to get out of your garage and really enjoy. There's only one direction cars like this go in value, and we all know what direction that is. There will be a time coming up soon where cars like this become so unaffordable because they're just not making motor cars of this stature any longer. When they stick an electric engine in the back, I'm personally finished with it. So the deal is really, get one now, get a great one, and get out on the road and enjoy it. I'm Adrian Crawford at Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and if this doesn't do it for you, nothing will.